Hey there! If you're like most people, staying on top of the latest changes to Social Security can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're planning for retirement, already receiving benefits, or just trying to make sense of it all, today's update is one you don't want to miss. Big changes are here that could impact millions, and it's more important than ever to know what's happening and how it might affect you or someone you care about. Let's break it all down together. Real quick before we dive in, if you're finding this helpful or just want to stay updated on Social Security, government benefits, and financial tips, hit that subscribe button and tap the like button. It's free, and it helps more people see these updates. Alright, back to it. So, here's the deal. President Biden recently signed the Social Security Fairness Act into law, and while it's making headlines, there's a lot that's being left out of the conversation. This new law directly affects millions of people, particularly those who worked in state or local government jobs before the 1980s. We're talking about teachers, firefighters, police officers, and others who were part of what's called non-covered employment. These are jobs that didn't pay into Social Security, but many of these workers did pay into Social Security through other part-time jobs or work they did before or after their government careers. The big change? The law eliminates something called the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO. These were rules that reduced Social Security benefits for folks with government pensions. Now, those reductions are gone, and that's huge. But, and this is important, if people don't take action, they could miss out on money they're owed. And here's why. Social Security has to update its policies to reflect this new law, and it's not a quick process. They've got lawyers working on it, writing what could end up being 500 pages of rules based on just 2 sentences in the law. Until everything is finalized, there's a risk of delays and confusion. And that's where you come in. If you're already getting benefits and they were reduced because of WEP or GPO, you should be good to go. Just make sure your contact info is up to date on the Social Security website so they can reach you. If you've never applied for benefits because you were told you didn't qualify, now's the time to call Social Security and file a claim. And hey, if you've got a neighbor, friend, or relative who used to work in one of those non-covered jobs, give them a heads up. You could be helping them get money they didn't know they were entitled to. Here's another trick. If you call Social Security and the wait times are crazy long, like hours long, take a screenshot of your phone showing how long you've been on hold. That screenshot can serve as proof that you tried to reach out, which might help you secure back pay for benefits later. And for anyone receiving benefits like SSI or Medicaid, remember that any extra money you get from Social Security might affect your eligibility for those programs. It's a good idea to check in with the agencies that manage those benefits to avoid surprises. Okay, so this is a lot to take in, I know. But the bottom line is this: if you or someone you know might be impacted by this law, take action now. Call Social Security, update your info, and file a claim if you think you might qualify for more benefits. And don't wait, there's a protective filing rule that can secure your eligibility as of the month you contact them. Well, that's it for today, but if you've got questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. If this was helpful, hit like, share it with someone who might need this info, and subscribe to stay in the loop. You're appreciated, and I'll see you next time.